Hey loves, in today's video, I am reviewing the new LA Colors Cream Gel Blushes that are available at Family Dollar. I purchased the new LA Colors Cream Gel Blushes from Family Dollar for $1 each. Bare Blush is a deep berry pink, and Perfectly Pinched is a light peachy toned color. As the package states, the formula is sheer and smooth. It is also quite buildable. I'm starting off by applying 4 dots along my cheekbone in the direction that I would normally apply my powder blush. I am blending it out with my Real Techniques mini contour brush. This first application gave me a nice sheer rosy flush, but I'm going to intensify it on my apple because I want to bring that color out a little bit more. I am blending out that blush in circular motions and continuing those circular motions up my cheek. Now with my Real Techniques mini buffing brush, I am setting my makeup with the Kat Von D Lock-It translucent powder. Setting my makeup did tone down the intensity of this already sheer blush, but I do like the soft rosy tint that I was able to achieve. In addition to this blush, I also used a cream contour, so overall my makeup came out a lot softer than it usually does, but I really like this makeup look. Thank you so much for watching. Have you tried the new LA Colors Cream Gel Blushes? If so, let me know in a comment what you thought about them. Also, let me know what you thought of today's video. And until next time, bye loves!